Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply scan and remove malware, spyware, and viruses from your PC with the help of Malwarebytes. How you can simply download and install Malwarebytes. You can simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option, and here you can simply search for Malwarebytes. Click on that, and then we're going to get the website from malwarebytes.com. So if you click on that, then we're going to click on the download now option, and then you can simply click on download. After complete the download, you can simply click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission. Now simply you can minimize all the background tab and showing the Malwarebytes setup wizard. So if you click on install, and you can simply click on the personal, click next, and click on skip this, and now it's installing. And as you can see right now, the installation is success. And now if you get the open Malwarebytes option, so if you click on that, and here you can see that they already have a subscription. If you don't have any subscription, then simply click on the get started option, click on the maybe later option, and continue with the free trial option. So open Malwarebytes, and you can simply now start scanning for your computer. So you have 14 days free trial. And if you want another video about how you can simply get it after the 14 days free trial, then you can simply comment below. I'm going to show you that. So the process is very simple. This is how you can simply download and install Malwarebytes in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.